You ever find yourself saying yes when you really want to say no? Yeah, me too. It's tough, especially when you don't want to disappoint people or miss out on opportunities. But here's the thing. Learning to say no is actually a superpower. First, remember that every time you say yes to something you don't really want, you're saying no to your own priorities. That's your time, your energy, your life. So next time you get that request, take a breath. You don't owe anyone an instant answer. Try saying, "Let me think about it and get back to you." That little pause can give you space to check in with yourself. If you decide it's not right, keep it simple. You don't need a long explanation. A straightforward, "Thanks so much, but I can't this time," is totally enough. And if you feel guilty, that's normal. But remember, setting boundaries isn't selfish, it's self-respect. Sometimes you'll worry about letting people down. But trust me, the people who respect you will respect your no. And when you start saying no to things that aren't a good fit, you'll have more space for what actually matters to you. So here's your challenge. Say no to something this week. Start small. Notice how it feels. It might be awkward at first, but with practice it gets easier. And honestly, your future self will thank you. Saying no isn't about shutting people out. It's about making room for a life you actually want. So go ahead, give yourself permission. Say no and mean it.